What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some YITAMotor fender flares. These are for a 2012 to 2016 F350 Ford, and you can see I already went ahead and pulled them out of the box. I ordered them on Saturday and they came Monday morning bright and early. They are delivered by Amazon, so you know that they ship really fast, and if there's any issues, Amazon does take care of it. So I'll open those up after I go over what comes in the box. Just a little tip right here. It says to leave them in the sun for 2-3 hours, or you could use a heat gun, especially if they come in the box and they're a little twisted or whatever. But that's just kind of common knowledge when you're installing anything on the exterior of the car that's plastic, whether it's a lip or a fender flare or like a spoiler on your trunk. It's just better if you keep them in the sun. But it comes with all the stainless steel hardware and with nylock nuts, so you don't have to worry about them backing out. It does come with detailed instructions also. All the fender clips and hardware, fender washers, everything you need right there. And then this is my favorite part. Some fender flares don't come with this, but this really makes that look complete. This is a trim that goes on the edge up against your factory fender, so you don't have to worry about scratching the paint or it rubbing and chipping the clear coat or anything like that. Put it along the edge, and then you pull off the adhesive backing and you are good to go. Sorry if that was a little painful to watch. I should have maybe opened it up before I started the video. But on first inspection, they're fairly thick. They do have a little bit of give to them, but it's kind of expected. I've had some previously that I had bought for a different model vehicle that were very, very flimsy. And these are a little bit thicker than those, and they are smooth. That's a smooth finish. So if you were to paint match these, it would be a lot less work than sanding off the textured plastic that some fenders come with. Yeah, overall they look really nice. Put that one right there. You guys can check it out. Alright, so my mistake, this is actually a front one. You could see about the same thing as the front, nice and smooth. No pitting, no blemishes, no nothing like that, which is nice. Trim, like I said before, just runs along the inside edge and makes for a nice, completed, finished look when you do install these on the truck. I am not a fan of textured black or just black ABS fender flares. I prefer to have all them paint matched. So it'll be very easy to paint match and throw on the truck. Gonna do it for an unboxing video on these YITAMotor fender flares. If you're in the market for a bolt-on style fender flare for your F350, Silverado, or any other thing like that, go ahead and check out YITAMotors on Amazon. If you click the link below, you're gonna get $35 off any sale of the fender flares. Like I said, these are for a 2012 to 16 F350, but they have many more makes and models. So thanks for watching, and see y'all in the next video.